How to invite your first client to PathwayNotes. Getting started with PathwayNotes only takes a few minutes. Once you've logged into your clinician dashboard, the first step is inviting your client to join the platform. From the dashboard, navigate to the Clients section and select Invite Client. Enter your client's email address and send the invitation. Your client will receive an email with instructions to create their secure account. Once they've completed registration, they'll automatically appear in your client list. From there, your client can begin using PathwayNotes between sessions. They'll receive guided journaling prompts and have a private space to reflect on their thoughts, emotions, and experiences throughout the week. These reflections help preserve important moments that might otherwise be forgotten before the next appointment. As the clinician, you don't need to read every journal entry individually. PathwayNotes organizes the information into clear summaries, highlights recurring themes, and prepares helpful session insights so you can quickly understand what happened between visits. This allows you to spend less time reviewing notes and more time focusing on meaningful conversations during therapy. Inviting clients is simple, secure, and designed to fit naturally into your existing workflow. With just a few clicks, you're giving your clients another way to stay connected to the work between sessions, while giving yourself better visibility into their progress. That's how PathwayNotes helps keep therapy moving, even when you're not together. Ready to experience PathwayNotes for yourself? Start your free 14-day trial today and see how easy it is to keep therapy moving between sessions.